Sarim Chop Mill. Sarim Chop Mill specializes in designing and manufacturing multi-purpose recycled treatment machines. Since its foundation in 1989, it has continued to contribute to the environmentally friendly industry. The self-propelled sawdust producer and wood crusher is a self-propelled machine that manufactures sawdust from trees that have been cut in the tree felling yards. When wood is fed into the feeder, it passes through the crushing drum and then goes to the discharge section, producing sawdust. By replacing the sawdust knife and crushing knife, you can make sawdust and crushed chips. It operates like a car, so when crushing, you start the engine, place the accelerator lever in the middle, then connect the PTO movement conveyor lever. Feed wood and operate by adjusting the forward and reverse lever.